Hi, I'm Cheryl, and as I'm walking through our humongous warehouse, I'm oftentimes amazed at all the fun things that we have, and they just kind of fly out of the box right at me, and I'm like, oh my goodness, that is amazing. So I thought, as that happens, I'm going to just show you. So today I found these four little amazing brushes. These are done by the Gypsy Quilter, as we all know the Gypsy Quilter and their amazing things and tools they have. But anyway, they're little micro brushes. They have four different heads on them. So they're great for cleaning your machine. This one is a good one. It's got a little ball on the top, and you can just go into the bobbin area. But anyway, they all are different heads so that you can reach nooks and crannies in all different places, not just for a sewing machine, but for small appliances, electronics that you have. And anyway, they're reusable. You can just wash them with warm soapy water. So that is great. And they're cute colors. And then I guess if you didn't want to use them for those things, you could always, use them for your eyebrows and maybe your eyelashes. That could work too. But if you don't see these in your local retailer, please ask them. And if they can give us a shout, that would be awesome because we do carry them and they're really fun and super cute. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.